In this video, I'll show you how to set up Discord server permissions and rules. Ensure you subscribe and turn on notifications to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to create a new role and walk you guys through step by step what you need to do, right? Click on server settings. So I want to create a new role, and this new role, the name on this new role is going to be the owner, right? So I can come on here, I'll type in owner, right? So owner. So I'm going to select the yellow button as well. I'm going to go to permissions, right? So as the owner, I'm going to set up some things. So I'm going to turn everything on, right? So if you're the owner of a channel, everything should be on, right? Everything should be turned on automatically, right? Because only you has access, like only you should basically have some good access to everything you need to know, right? So this is your server, so you should have the right to do anything good you want to do with the server, right? So I'm going to turn on every row on. Let me say, like, okay, because this is basically a tutorial video, but from your own end you should turn everything on, right? So everything should be turned on. Once you are done, you're going to click the save changes, right? So the new row here is the owner row. So if you go to, let's say, the entrepreneur row, let's say if there someone that is on the server, right? Some things should be turned off, right? The only thing that should be on should be this view channel, send messages, add reactions, this and this, right? This is the only thing that should be on, right? So this is basically how you can set up Discord server permissions and rules. If you find this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'm going to see you guys in the very next